Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are on the step 4. So in the step 4, what you have to do, you have to install the agent. Okay, so let me go to the agent pool. If you see, the both agent pool are showing us the warning, right? So let me click on the install agent, and here you can see two type of document are available here. One is to install the Google Cloud CLI as well as the Docker. So like whatever the image we are taking for the Google Cloud, basically the Google Cloud has been installed earlier. Okay, so it is not required to install the Google Cloud, but we have to install the Docker because the Docker by default is not being installed for a lot of like the some of the operating system. So basically I'm just double checking like whether the Google Cloud is required or not, but I see on the OS the Google Cloud has been installed, so there is nothing required to do for the Google Cloud installation. So now we have to install the Docker. Okay, so I'm just referring the document like whatever the document is available on the transfer service. Okay, I'm just referring that, right? So I just downloaded the Docker file. Now I'm installing. It will take another couple of minute to get installed, so don't need to worry about it. Okay, so it will be installed automatic. As the internet connection is very slow for me, so that's the reason it is taking some time to download the package. But for your case, I think you will get be installed without any error or without any delay. Okay, so let me wait. Yeah, it was expected because my internet is actually slow. Okay, so let me wait, otherwise I will retry. Yeah, it's taking a long time. I think I should retry. Yeah, so I did retry. Now it's see, you can see it is getting installed. Okay, downloaded the record package and getting installed the Docker package here. So the Docker package has been installed. So let me start the Docker service. Oh, sorry, because I record the sudo x because I'm not doing by the root user, right? So I have to use the sudo. Yeah, so I just start the Docker. Also, let me enable it so that while rebooting the system, the Docker service can be started automatic. So Docker has been installed successfully. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do like the gcloud init, right? That is required to authenticate, right? So I have to go with the project one. Also, you can see my project name is the premise. So I select the project name. It is asking to select the region. Okay, let me click on yes so that I can set the region here. So as I'm doing everything on the central region, so I'm taking like the US Central 7, that is stand for number 7. Okay, because the 7 is indicating for US Central region, so that's why I enter the 7, right? Just let me validate whether it is configured successfully or not. So in the central zone, like central region, I there is one instance running, so you can see it is also showing here. So it means it is configured successfully. We are able to see the running instance from the Google Cloud command. So it is a refer document on who is like yeah, I just take the command. We have to update some of the basic parameter here, then we have to run it. So what I'll do, I will post this URL on the video, so you can take take reference of this command. You just need to copy it, but exactly I copy it, but I change some of the parameter here. Okay, also I will post this command in the video, so you can change it accordingly. Okay, I'm doing for the first time, maybe will encounter some error. Okay, so you can see it is the command. Actually the here we are mentioning the directory, like what are the directory we have to mount with the Docker container. We are just mentioning that. So it is the like the my directory name. Okay, that is the directory in the host, and the second one is the directory of the mount point, right? That would be inside the container on with which you have to mount it, right? The first directory should be present inside the host, and second directory would be created automatic inside the container. It is the project name. Let me change the project name here. Okay, sorry, it is the pool name, right? I have to change the pool name. Also, the project name need to be changed here. Okay, let me copy the project name here. Project name is same, so it is not required to change. Basically, here I changed three things. One is the directory name of the host, and second is the directory name of the container. Second is the project ID, then the agent pool name. Okay. So I just copy the command and let me run it. I did run it on the host. Let's see. Oh, okay. It seems it's throwing some error. Maybe we have to log in because let me try. Okay, it's asking to log in to get the code. Okay, let me log in the command. Let me paste the code here. Let me rerun the code again. Let's try whether it is throwing this error. Okay, I think this I just did it because I thought maybe this authentication might be causing the problem, but it is not actually not doing that. So it seems only there's something on the command need to be changed here, right? Yeah. Yeah, I changed the command, okay, because that cloud config parameter was not required to from the command, and after changing that command, it got successfully. Okay, so I will post the updated command in the video, so you can take a look on that and you can run that, and after that the agent would be installed successfully. Then it will show as connected. Okay, so thank you guys. You can connect in the next session. Thank you.